Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain you about polygons and types of polygons. First, what is a polygon? Polygon is a simple closed figure bounded by line segment. Bounded by line segments. Such figures are called polygons. For example, if you see this figure, see this is a closed figure and also bounded by the line segments. How many line segments are there? 3 line segments. Look at this figure. This figure is also formed by line segments only and closed figure. This is also polygon bounded by line segments. So all these are examples of polygons because they are all formed by the line segments. Of course they are closed. Okay. So polygon is a simple closed figure bounded by line segments. Now in the polygons I am going to explain you today about triangle. See, look at this figure. This is called triangle, isn't it? I am going to explain you about triangle today. Now, in a triangle, how many sides are there? There are 3 sides. So, here a polygon with 3 sides. So, 3-sided figure. That is called triangle. So, what is a triangle? Let me tell you. So triangle means it is a polygon with 3 sides. So triangle formed with 3 line segments, isn't it? See. Let me name this triangle AB, BC, CA. So with 3 line segments the figure is formed. So it is called triangle. Right? Now in the triangle I have named here A, B, C, no, those are called vertices. A, B, C are called vertices of the triangle. And from A to B, what is this called? This is called line segment actually. But in the triangle it is called side. So how many sides you can see here? There are 3 sides AB, BC and CA. There are 3 sides are there. And also observe one more point. Here when 2 line segments meet at a point, their angle will form, isn't it? So look at AB and CB, both are meeting at B. So here angle is there. So one angle is formed. Like that you can see at A also and C also. How many angles are formed here? There are 3 angles. So in a triangle, how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. So triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides. We can name the sides. What are the sides of the triangle? AB, BC and CA. 3 sides are there. And also 3 angles. What are the angles here? The angles are angle A. Angle A can be represented with 3 letters also. That is angle BAC. Next, second angle at B, angle ABC. And the third angle is at C it has formed. It can be named as angle BCA. So a triangle has 3 angles. So here 3 sides, 3 angles. Total 6 parts are there. So a triangle has 6 parts. Nothing but 6 components also we can say, right? So these are the parts of triangle, children. Now coming to the perimeter. What is meant by perimeter? Perimeter means total length of the boundary of a figure, isn't it? perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle means sum of all the sides of triangle. What are the sides here? Here AB is one side, AB plus BC plus CA. So the total length of the three sides of a triangle is called perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is AB plus BC plus CA, that is sum of all the sides. Okay. Next one, when you draw a triangle on a plane, it divides the plane into three sets of points. How many sets? Three sets of points. What are those? One is interior of the triangle, interior of the triangle. Second one is exterior of the triangle, exterior of the triangle, and the third one is lies on the triangle. Lies on the triangle means a triangle on a plane divides it into three sets of points. Points which are in the interior, point which are in the exterior of the triangle, and points lies on the triangle. See here, I am going to take some points and let us see whether they are in the interior or exterior or lies on the triangle. Now look at this. Here you can see some points around the triangle and inside also. Now what are the points which are in the interior? So if the points are inside the triangle, they are called in the interior of the triangle. So what are the points we have? P and Q. So P, Q are lying in the inside the triangle, so they are in the interior of the triangle. Next, coming to the exterior of the triangle. What are the points in the exterior part? S, M, N. See, these three points are in the outside of the triangle. Okay, so those are called in the exterior of the triangle. The points are S, N and M. Then next comes to points which are lies on the triangle. Lies on the triangle means if they are lying on any side of the triangle, we can say that points are lying on the triangle. So look at this, point G and point O, they are on the sides of triangle, so they are lies on the triangle, we will say. So what are the points lies on the triangle? O comma G. These are the points which are lying on the triangle. Okay na children? So this is about triangle, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.